Okay, 15 seconds to start. So Shorty Oliver steps on the gas. He's our zero man. Let's have a look. Clock's ticking. He needs to run at the line now because it goes zero now. So he has about 4 seconds late there. Next two guys are off 10. That's 10 now. So about 3 seconds late for Wes and Caleb. For Caleb and Chris. So scarpering down the back straight away, Shorty Oliver. Caleb Frost dropping to the outside, and Chris Oakley looking like he's got some pace. So Chris Oakley off in hot pursuit of Sean Oliver. Shorty Oliver, bit of trim on the boat now. The boat's sitting a lot better than it did in the previous race. Obviously made a propeller change, I would suggest. Chris Oakley with a little bit of a porpoise. He looks like he needs to go down a prop size. Caleb's little 2-litre boat just sitting perfectly. Shorty Oliver doing a beautiful job. Boat sitting much nicer this time around. Chris Oakley, the one with a bit of a porpoise up at the moment. Probably just a little bit over-propped in that boat. Sean Oliver in Radical Racing. Hunts down the front straight away. I think he's going to be hard to catch. Caleb unable to bridge the gap between himself and Chris Oakley at the moment. Chris got a bit of a break on the start. He hasn't made up any ground since, but Caleb unable to claw it back right now. Up into the top turn. Sean Oliver accepts the yellow flag and sets off on his last lap. Chris Oakley still running in second. Caleb Frost in the third. Into the bottom turn for the last time for the three boys. Down the back straight away. Shawnee Oliver doing the numbers. Boat looking good. Chris Oakley in the second. Caleb Frost in the third. Checker flags out. And charging hard in his first win in a tunnel boat. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Shawnee Oliver. Takes a win and he'll be going for a swim. Chris Oakley in the second. And keep your applause coming for Caleb Frost. A successful weekend, first time out for both those guys. A win apiece. Dad's happy. You can have a beer now. Beautiful day, beautiful venue. Thank you, Scotty. We'll see you again at a race soon.